Alright, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and this time around we've got us a challenge locking device called Blue Crumb Truck by Average Picker. And I've got to tell you, there's probably a story behind that name, huh? Blue Crumb Truck? I wonder what it is. So there's the beautiful lock, and don't you just love those Baldwin, the bow on those Baldwin keys? I mean, when it comes to a key, a key's a key, but they sure are pretty keys, ain't they? And look what else is pretty. Yeah, buddy. That's just gorgeous. That's just gorgeous. Alright, so the lock does work really good. I haven't tried this one. I think one time. Yeah, one time, at least one time. I have opened it. So this is not the first go at it, but it was, hell, I don't remember when. Probably right after I first got it. From, I want to say, Jason Carlson. Box that he sent me. Now usually on these Schlage type keyways I usually use the Sparrows. I call this a low rise. It's just a really short hook, but on this particular lock with bitting like that, I'm going to go a little taller and use the gem since it's got a little bit more of a rise. So that's what we'll try on this bad boy. Let me get zoomed in a little bit here, centered on the camera. Good to go. Alright, and this one, let me see. We'll see if we need the shotgun in there, because again, with that kind of bitting, you may not want to put the shotgun in the bottom. I don't know yet. We'll find out in a minute here. We'll see how it goes. And I am going to go counterclockwise since I'll be picking kind of like this. So I want this tension to go against what I'm doing with the pick. So here we go. Go in and see if we can get some kind of feedback started. If anything wants to talk. Yep, right there, like 3. I don't think I said it. Okay, there we go. See, that's what I mean. I'm having to kind of go in and twist the pick clockwise, so I want this counterclockwise to work against it. Okay, going in. And the back. Let me see. Yep, feels like maybe 5. Right up front here. Alright. Pin 1, counter. Let's see. I don't know if I set that all the way. There it goes. Alright. Going back in. If I can get in. See if something else gives us some feedback here. Yep, all the way in the back again. Hopefully that's set. Coming back out. Trying to feel for some, okay, right here. Feel a slight bit of counter rotation. I want to say it's pin 3. Ooh. Okay, there it went. But I felt something else drop, so very good lock. This thing's got me going in circles, so well played. Oof. Feels like I overset something in the back. Yep, I did. Okay, back into the false set. See if we can recover. Not sure. One set, two. Oh, right here. I feel it. Boom. There we go. What a freaking fun lock. That was freaking cool. I like those, man. They make you work. All right, so we got her very much open. Let me see. Put this aside. Beautiful. So we got it. We got the key so we can lock it back up. Freaking awesome. I like that one. That one made me work. All right. Should be good about there-ish. Bada boom, bada bang. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, bada boom, bada. Here we go. All right. I was gonna say something too. I forget while I was disassembling this. Oh yeah. One of the things was, why is this just turning? Oh. I've been getting a couple more subscribers. First of all, thank you very much. Second of all, the last time I was coming up on the when I was coming up on the 300 sub deal, I ordered the stuff kind of late, so I really didn't do the giveaway until much after the 300 sub giveaway. This time around, I figure when I get to about maybe 20-ish before, like I'm at, I think it was 370 last time I looked, so maybe when I get to like 380, I'll start ordering the stuff so that I can actually do it on time or closer to it. The last time it went over real quick. I mean, it was awesome. It was just freaking awesome. So this time around, I'll try to catch it a little better. Okay, we got the back off. We put the key in there. And since it felt so nasty, I will definitely shove a shim in that. Great lock, man. I really like that one. Pull it. Make sure it's a good size. Yep. Alrighty. Shim out of there. A humble 5-pinner. Oh yeah, that number 5 was a overset for sure. Overset trap anyway, kinda. Barely needed anything on that one. I mean on number 4 there. Beautiful. Standard in 1. Ooh. Really sharp one there in number 2. Same in number 3. Really nice. See, and these are made to where you lift them up a little high, and it's going to feel like they set when you're really overset. Really good idea. All right, let me get some specs on. Oh, there's that spring. I do not see no mods to the core. No mods to the core. All right, well played. Let's see, tweezers. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. Nice and easy. Come to Papa. Oh yeah, really nice. Let me separate these a little. Okay. Just get them laid out, I guess, huh? Nice. Another sharp top on that one. That one's actually rounded on the top. That's the way it came out. Oh, I see. It's reduced a little bit, but it's also rounded a little bit. I don't know if that was the part of the plan. Tell you what, I mean, the lock worked great, so can't question the intentions there. And number 5. Oh yeah, really cool. Almost looked like a 2-piece. That's wicked looking. Really cool. Well made. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bang. Now I don't think there's any mods because that's done pretty good there. I mean, you can get those off and back on, but you're going to be able to tell. No mods. Alrighty. A close up on some of these beautiful pins. Yeah, buddy. Key pins. We've got a standard in one. We got this really cool. I mean, that almost looks like a vase, shaped like a flower vase. Anyway, it's going to act like a spool too. It's sharp on the top. Key pin number 3 is going to also act like a spool. If you lift it too high, and it'll feel like it's set. 4 again, same thing, like a rounded spool. You push that up too high, boom, that's going to go to the shear line. You're going to think the pin's set. That was 4 and 5. We got the serration on the top of it. Drivers, we got this, I guess, double serrated. They're pretty wide serrations. 2, we'll call that a spool. 3, again, 2 wide serrations maybe. 4, this is that one I said. See now, this is the standard pin diameter. And right here, from about here down, it's been reduced a little bit. But like I said, this end is kind of rounded off, so that's going to make it pick a little easier, I think. 5, again, it's almost like a serrated spool. Serration here, spool there. It's going to do this, I don't know, it's going to act like both. All standard springs. Now, thank you so much. Average Pigger, pin that bad boy up. Blue Crumb Truck, thank you so much. And Jason Carlson, thank you for sending it. Now, I've got a question for y'all. I got something in the mail the other day. I have no idea who it's from or what it's for. I'm going to bring the camera down here. Let me get back down a little bit. This showed up. Of course, the screw wasn't in it. It came with it, though. I just screwed it in. Now, I know it's a thumb turn Euro-style cylinder with that backward Yale type keyway. I mean, I know a little bit about the locket, so I don't know who sent it and why. I don't think it's not for the Locks Without Borders collection because it's not a padlock. It may be for a lock to try for Stock Lock Sunday. Again, I don't know who sent it. There was no name on the box. All as it said, there's a short letter that also doesn't say a whole lot about who sent it, but it had this on it. I posted this to Facebook asking people. That's all it really had. So if you sent this lock, let me know who you are and what. I mean, thank you, but what was there was no. Like I said, I don't think it's a challenge lock. It has no identifiers, nothing to it. I don't have a clue. It's a mystery lock. So please, if you sent this or you know who sent it, let me know what's going on with it. Please. It's a mystery to me. I can't sleep. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Big Al signing out.